Good morning, Joomla. My name is Crystal, and I am the president of Open Source Matters. I'm so excited to welcome you to 2023 Pizza Bugs and Fun. We are getting ready for the launch of Joomla 5 this October, and there is so much left to do. So no matter where in the world you are, whether you're joining from your favorite chair or if you're getting together with friends at a co-working space, thank you for taking the time today to participate and help us out. Regardless of your familiarity with Joomla, how much of a developer you are or not, every contribution counts and helps us make Joomla the best CMS it can be. So thank you for taking the time to make documentation, translations, test bug fixes, or even open your own pull requests. Every single contribution counts, and I really appreciate it. Before we continue, I want to say a sincere thank you to our main sponsor, Ionos. Thank you for making today possible. We really appreciate your help and support. I also want to shout out to our banner sponsors who show us how strong the Joomla community can be. Thank you for standing by us and helping us put this event on today. For those of you who aren't really sure how to get started, we have a training video available. You can check the Mattermost channel for this event in order to find it. It's also available on YouTube. You can also join the video server if you're joining at home or if you're joining with a group so that we can all stay connected around the world as we participate. Thank you again for your time. I am so excited to see what we accomplished today. I look forward to seeing you because I'll be joining too from Athens. Cheers to open source, to the wind, and to the spirit of collaboration that keeps our community going strong. Thank you. Let's get started and squash some